Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best in kitchen and grilling gear. Today, we're talking about the Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Oven Gloves. Quite possibly the best insulated food gloves you can get your hands on. If you're a barbecue enthusiast or someone who frequently works with hot kitchen appliances, these gloves are a game changer. Let's dive into why these gloves stand out. First off, they offer extreme heat resistance, handling temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're working on your grill, smoker, or even with a turkey fryer, these gloves are designed to protect your hands from the intense heat. Made with a high-quality silicone exterior and a thick cotton lining, they provide unmatched durability while keeping your hands cool and comfortable. The gloves are versatile, fitting most hand sizes, thanks to their flexible design. No more struggling with stiff oven mitts or bulky gloves that limit your movement. These are incredibly easy to use, allowing you to grip and handle hot food or cooking tools with ease. Whether you're moving a sizzling skillet from the stove or adjusting a piece of meat on the grill, these gloves offer a non-slip grip that ensures you never lose control. But that's not all. The cotton lining adds an extra layer of comfort, preventing your hands from sweating even after prolonged use. It's a thoughtful feature that not only boosts the overall experience but also makes these gloves incredibly durable. You won't have to worry about wear and tear anytime soon. In addition to their heat resistance and comfort, these gloves are also waterproof, making them perfect for any outdoor cooking adventure, from grilling in the summer to smoking meats on a cold winter day. The silicone exterior is resistant to water, so you'll never have to worry about your gloves getting soaked. What makes these gloves truly exceptional is their bonus features. With your purchase, you get 2 sticky hangers for easy storage, so you can keep your gloves within arm's reach at all times. Plus, you'll receive 2 e-books full of delicious recipes, from great barbecue dishes to healthy salad ideas. It's a great package that helps you become a pro at grilling, baking, and more. These Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Oven Gloves also come with a lifetime warranty, ensuring you can always rely on them for any issues you might encounter. The brand stands behind its product, offering excellent customer service for peace of mind. So if you're tired of burning your hands while grilling, cooking, or handling hot food, these gloves are the perfect solution. They're comfortable, durable, and highly functional, making them an essential tool for anyone who loves cooking or grilling. Don't wait. Get your hands on these gloves and make your kitchen and barbecue sessions safer and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.